Finding happiness and fulfillment involves a combination of self-awareness, intentional actions, and a mindset focused on gratitude and growth. Here are some steps you can take to cultivate happiness and fulfillment in your life. Set meaningful goals. Identify what you want to achieve in various aspects of your life, whether it's in your career, relationships, personal development, or hobbies. Set specific, achievable goals that are meaningful to you and align with your values. Practice gratitude. Cultivate a mindset of gratitude by focusing on the positive aspects of your life. Regularly express appreciation for the people, experiences, and opportunities that enrich your life. Engage in activities you enjoy. Make time for activities and hobbies that bring you joy and fulfillment. Whether it's creative pursuits, physical activities, or simply spending time in nature, prioritize activities that recharge and energize you. Embrace challenges. View challenges as opportunities for growth and learning rather than obstacles. Adopting a growth mindset can help you navigate setbacks with resilience and optimism. Take care of your health. Prioritize your physical and mental well-being by maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Get regular exercise, eat nutritious foods, get enough sleep, and manage stress effectively. Finding happiness and fulfillment is an ongoing journey, and it's normal to experience ups and downs along the way. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and continue to explore what brings you true joy and meaning in life.